Good morning, friends. I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today it's a gloomy day where I live. Kind of depressing. But today we're going to be working on Margarete Miller's collage assignment number 19, and for that we need something found in a doctor's office. You probably have already seen many other videos of the same thing and know all the prompts, but we also need a spiral or swirl pattern, textured paper, a coupon, a measurement, and something that starts with D. So, I have several textured papers. I don't think I'm going to use this one because it's just a little bit too sparkly or shimmery, I should say. And it's not really my color palette. This one is embossed, and it's got little threads in it. I don't know if you can tell. It's got like a viney pattern embossed in there, and actually a flower. This is just textured paper. It's not embossed or anything. This is just sort of like handmade paper that I was thinking I might try to emboss and see how it looks. So I'll be using one of these. Not sure which one yet. This is my measurement paper. I'm thinking I'm going to use the whole thing as my background. Maybe not. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I've got this stamp that, as you can see, has quite a few little swirls. So I'm probably going to be using that. If not, I'll have to draw some swirls because I don't have anything swirly like that. I'm using my 1951 Women's Day magazine. Not sure which one yet, but you can see here it says mail this coupon today. So I might use this one, but there's all kinds of different ones that in the magazine that I can use. Here's this one. This one right here. It's a mail order coupon for a maternity dress and jacket pattern. So maybe I could use that as the background. Not sure yet. I also have this 1950 Women's Day, and we have this ad for Does, which could be my D prompt, could fulfill my D prompt. We've also got dinner and dessert. I thought those are D's. What else did I put aside here? Oh, desserts to delight. So I was thinking about that. I have another bookmark here. Oh, this is a mail order coupon for girdles, I guess. And then also, this is a picture of dinner. It says dinner right there, so that I could use that for my D. Now, as far as what's in a doctor's office, I have this stuff. I have these little tools that I was thinking about cutting out, and medicine bottles. So that's going to be what's in my doctor's office. Obviously, this is not a 21st century doctor's office we're talking about here. So I'm going to get my embossing machine out in my embossing folder. I only think I only have one. And let's try embossing these two and see how they look. Okay. Alright. So now that we took up so much time, oh, that looks cute. I don't know if you can see it, but there's something embossed. We can do it this way. That's sticking out. I like that way better. So we'll have that. And I was thinking, why not just try this? Even though I probably won't use it, because I don't like this color paper very well. But it's a frame, and this paper is the perfect size, so let's check it out. It's going to be a little bit too short, I think, but that looks pretty good. Let's see how that works. I don't have a big giant long desktop to just leave this flipped open, you know. And now we're going to go back. Let's see. It's harder to send it back. Okay, did that work? Oh, yeah. It didn't work on the bottom as well. I guess I didn't do it good enough. But anyway, that would be pretty too. I hope you are all doing well. I hope you're having a more pleasant, weathery day than I am having. But these are my two. I actually had two embossing folders. This one is just dandelions. And I thought that we could try maybe doing this with the dandelions right there. Okay, so I'm thinking I don't really want to use this as a background. I'm just going to cut out one of the measurements, or maybe more than one. Thinking maybe something like this is too... I think I need to cut this off though. So I have textured papers. This is not actually straight, cut straight. It was from a Dollar Tree paper pack. And I have seen people ink over the embossings and it looks really pretty, but I am afraid that I would destroy that. So maybe something like this. Let me cut out all my pieces and then we shall come back. Alright, so I am back and I have found components, or chosen my components, and I can actually combine several of my prompts with this one ad that was in the magazine. We've got something that begins with a D, is dress, my coupon, and my measurements. I don't actually need to have this. However, I might still put one down the side. But I was thinking about kind of arranging these. I still think I'm going to need a background of some kind. I got these little bottles here for my medicines, for something in the doctor's office. So I still have to, maybe I'll do this around the edges for my swirls or spirals. And textured paper, I still have something to do with textured paper. So I'm actually thinking about not using these at all, but using some of my homemade paper to put behind all of this. So let me go get that and see how that looks. Got several pieces I can choose from. I don't know if you can see the texture, but it's there. This one is thinner, so I do kind of feel like the thinner the better in this case. This one's super thin and it's pretty. It's got different things in it. Will it fit? I think it will. So I'm going to use this page. Now my problem is cutting it though. I think we shall try to just kind of make a cut line here and see how that will work. This paper is very hard to get to stick too, and it's not cutting straight. So that will go like that. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and glue it down and then cut the edges off afterwards. So yeah, so that little number is going to get cut off. I kind of like it. Maybe I'll just do that. Okay, let's get this glued down. Glue stick is not going to cut it for this. So we are going to use the Fabri-Tac. Don't want it to get on the other pages. Okay. Double-sided tape does not work with this either. I've tried that. Oh, I don't want to cut my number. Oh, my number's over there. Okay. I don't know why that number's so important to me. Okay, we've got that. I think I'm going to just squeeze a little piece in there so it kind of looks like it's totally covered. There, that's good. We'll put this back down. Okay, I think we're doing okay as far as that's concerned now. Hopefully I'll get everything else to, oh, that came right off, to glue on top of it okay. Alright, let's just kind of decide how we want this. I still don't know where I'm going to put my swirls though. And I think I might have to just maybe do it across the top there. I think that's what I'm going to do. And then I think we're going to be done. I'll just check and make sure I have everything on there. Let's see if I do. Something found in a doctor's office, the medicine bottles. Textured paper is behind everything. This is my coupon. It says coupon right on it. This is my measurement thing, and it says measurements right on it. Dress starts with D, so I do have everything except my swirls. So let's go ahead and see if we can do it. I hope it works. I think I'm going to do it on a scrap paper first, just to make sure it looks okay. I think it's this way. It's very faint, but it's there. So it's going to actually cover, maybe I'll put it on this right across here. I think that's what I'll do. And I also think I need to take it off of that and put it on something even flatter. Or harder, I should say. Here goes nothing. I always count to 8 when I do this. I'm sure I've surpassed that. So it looks pretty good. It's darker on here too. There's all my little swirls. Awesome. Now I'm done. So let's get everything glued down. Oh, did I cover that up? I don't want to. And so for a very near future video, what I want to do is get Google to generate some random numbers, like maybe 6 random numbers, and then I'm going to find the corresponding page numbers, pick something out from the page to make a collage with. So I think that would be fun. I've seen other people do similar challenges, and so that's what I'm going to do. Pabst cheese spread. Never heard of that one. 1950 and 51 was a little before my time. I was born in 59. It sounds so old. It does sound so old now. 59. I was born in 1959. Yeesh. So then we have our measurement piece. So I kind of feel like this came together really more cohesive than I usually do, just because of the 3 prompts found in the one page that all go together. And now we have our little medicine bottles. So I do have a World War II ration food, I think it was a food ration book from my great grandmother, and I was going to photocopy it and use it in here as my coupon, but I saw so many other people doing the same thing, and I didn't want to copy them, so I decided to look through the magazine for a coupon, and they didn't have any like go to the store kind of coupons, but when I saw that a lot of these say coupon on them, I thought, okay, that'll work. So there we have it. All these maternity clothes from one pattern, and all this these prompts from one pattern. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And we will see you next time. And I look forward to seeing you again and talking to you again. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.